Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to show you how you can get started on Clickbank. Now Clickbank is a great place that you can get started if you want to promote affiliate products online. This is a marketplace where product creators will come along and they will actually list their products on this site, and you as an affiliate can come inside and actually get links for those products, and then you will make a commission every time somebody purchases that product through your link. This video is going to be ideal if you're completely new. I'm going to show you around the Clickbank site. I'm actually going to sign up and you can see how I do it step by step, and then we'll jump inside Clickbank itself into the marketplace and I'll show you exactly how you find different types of products that you can promote in whatever niche you might be in. So just before we start, guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're interested and you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. So guys, let's have a look at Clickbank. Now Clickbank is a site, as I said, that is very, very good for especially beginning affiliates online, because there's no real barriers to you actually promoting their kind of products and services. There are many different sites online like this where it is quite difficult sometimes to get started because the vendors need to approve you to promote their goods and services, and sometimes as a beginner that's tricky. With Clickbank it's not so much, and I'm going to get into that once we get inside. Now basically guys, you have this site here. I'll leave a link to Clickbank below in the description, and come over to this site. This has recently had a revamp, so it's a really nice looking site at the moment, very, very fresh. And basically if you come down to the affiliate pieces, because we're not really going to concentrate on sellers in this particular video, you can see there's over 100,000 sellers on the marketplace and lots of different products and lots of niches that you can actually promote. So you can just go down here and take a read through this yourself, guys. It just takes you through what the site does. Then you have this section here for affiliates, and there is information on here about affiliates and how you can actually get commissions and how it actually works. Some good information here. And then you have the sellers piece, and then you have the learn section here. Now there is some affiliate marketing courses on here. They have got their own affiliate marketing course called Spark, so you can take a look at that. Then you have these guides, and there's lots of different articles here and lots of different guides. It's well worth actually going through these if you're completely new. For instance, this what is affiliate marketing. It takes you through lots of information to do with affiliate marketing that really explains what it's all about, plus videos. So it's a good resource there. Plus you have their blog, their YouTube channel, their own podcast, and then you got their help center there, and you got a support link here. But if you're completely new, the first thing we want to do is sign up. So let's go ahead and hit the sign up. And I'm actually going to do this. I just obviously won't show you all of the details I'll put in there. But basically the first thing you want to do is look at your country. Now if you look through here, most countries are represented on here. There is a few absences, so you'll need to check before you obviously go ahead and sign up. But most of the countries are on here. So basically I would scroll down and I would put United Kingdom. You would then put your name in here and your last name, and then a telephone number they can reach you on, and then an email address with a password. Once you've done that, just hit the continue to terms and conditions and we can go to the next stage. Now I'll fill this in with some dummy information, and then we can go ahead and I can show you the second step to actually signing up for this website. So as I said, you need to click the continue to terms and conditions. You read through the terms and conditions, just scroll all the way to the bottom. Obviously you're going to read every single word. Once you've done that, you can accept the terms and conditions and then join Clickbank. Once you have this, you'll have this for a 7 days free affiliate marketing course. I'm not going to actually go for that. You can go for it if you want, but it will be paid after those 7 days. And they'll ask you if you want to go ahead and join their Facebook group. So the next thing they want you to do is they want you to complete a profile, so you can go ahead and get your account verified. Just go ahead and hit complete profile, and then they'll want information like your street name and address and your payee name, which can be changed at any time. And then there's some information here about what you actually want to do with the platform. So you can go ahead and fill that in. And then you're on to this section here. Now this is an interesting one because this is where you're actually going to have your account nickname. Now this is the name that actually tells Clickbank when you actually make a commission. Your nickname is attached to all of the links that you actually get from the system. So you can go ahead and either create an account nickname, you can link an account nickname, and there's this option here to enroll in the community. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to create an account nickname here. And I'm just going to put an account type is my affiliate account. So I just put something completely random in here, and then you can go ahead and sign up. Now once we actually go in the account, I can actually show you where this nickname is actually going to be used. Now there's a number of settings on the left hand side here, but just for the purposes of this I'm going to jump straight into the marketplace, because usually once you actually go ahead and join Clickbank, this is what you're actually going to see, this interface here. This is the piece where we're most interested at the moment before we start making sales. So at any point you can come back to this dashboard and you can look at these various sections here. There is trading here, there's lots of stats here, but let's just jump into the actual marketplace itself. Now the easiest way to get started is just by coming up here and on this search button here, just press search and it's going to show you the most popular products on Clickbank. This is just the biggest sellers on Clickbank at the moment. So this product here, Xpure, this is a most popular product and is selling the highest on Clickbank. The reason I know that is because it's got a gravity score which is very, very high, and this is an indication of how many different affiliates have sold this over the last 12 weeks. It's kind of a weighted score, so it gives you a good indication basically whether something is popular. Usually we look for things at around about 50 gravity or over, just to make sure that they are still being currently sold. Now you got this by rank. I could also have this by average dollar conversion, initial dollar conversion, reoccurring dollar rebills, which means any kind of membership programs attached to the product, and then gravity, as I just mentioned, is a great indication of whether something is actually popular. So that's just overall. If I just come back and I want to find a specific product that I'm after, I can go ahead and type the name in here and press search, or I can come down here and have a look at all of these different categories. Now these are multiple different niches under which they have lots of different types of digital products underneath the niches. Now the best thing to do is just come in here and look for the niche that's closest to the type of products that you want to go ahead and promote. So I'm in the e-business in an e-marketing niche, so I would come over to this niche here, and I've got other options as well that I can start filtering from: gravity, average conversion, etc. I could look at physical products, I could look at different types of languages, whether it's different types of billing types like one-time billing, reoccurring, or $1 trials, and then required attributes: must have an affiliate tools page, support for mobile traffic, affiliate required approvals. This is something we don't really want, or offers CPA commission, which is kind of an ongoing commission. I'm actually going to tick on here, must have affiliate tools page, so that I can show you the types of tools that you can use to promote these types of products. So basically that's how you would do it, and then you can just come down and have a look at these products, start to look at whether you think these are going to be good products to promote. Now I've got a whole video, guys, that I'll put on the right hand side of the screen now and in the description below, which teaches you how to find good products to promote on Clickbank. So I'm not going to go into that specifically here and go through every single number here. What I will do is ask you to go look at that video because it goes into it a little bit more detail, but I want to just give you an overview of what these numbers mean. So let's come out of this niche. I want to go into the health and fitness niche. If I just come in and have a look at this very top product here, and basically what this is, a weight loss pill. Okay, so this seems to be very, very popular at the moment, some form of weight loss pill. What you can start to look at is what you can use to actually promote this if you're an affiliate. So the easiest way, the quickest way to promote anything is just by hitting promote here, and then you would put your account nickname in here. Now remember, I put Ronaldo13 as my account name. I would just put that in here and generate a hop link, and now anybody that clicks on this hop link here and then actually comes over and uses that link, I would actually get credited that particular sale. So I just come down slightly on my screen, you can see here that says Ronaldo13. Now that is Clickbank actually crediting me with the sale of this if they decide to go ahead and purchase it. So that's just one very quick way to promote it. The other way you can do it is by going into an affiliate page. Now this is an affiliate page. Usually each one of these listings will have an affiliate page. Now you just click onto this here. This is going to be all different types of resources that you can use to actually promote these types of Clickbank products. Now if you do subscribe to my channel, my next video is actually going to be showing you one way to actually promote these types of products using completely free traffic. So it's well worth actually sticking around to learn that, because it's one of the methods that I use to promote products in my niche from Clickbank. But basically this is going to give you all of the information that you need to actually go ahead and start promoting. Now you can have different ways that you can promote this. So if I just come down to here, I can again put my affiliate ID in here. and that will actually populate a link here for me, which is the same as the one before. But I can also use different defaults here. So I can use a tracking ID. So maybe I want to use YouTube, and I'm going to use that as my tracking ID that shows me that anybody who clicks this was on YouTube. And I can look at whether I want to have an exit pop-up actually on the site, or I want to have a autoplay video that's on the site, and it will add these particular components to the hop link. I also have various other resources that I can use up here. So this is all about getting the links. The next thing is I can actually install tracking pixels, which are a bit more advanced, not really for newbies. But once you actually get going, you can install tracking pixels onto the site. Now, the next thing is the email swipes. You can actually use these in your email autoresponder. And again, watch out for more videos on this, because I'm going to explain to you what this all means as far as the autoresponder and plugging an email into your autoresponder. But you can use these to actually email your audience with further offers or more information about this particular product. And then you have some images on here that you can use on your websites, on your social media, wherever you want to go ahead and promote these types of products. So that's under the actual affiliate resources. And then what you have here then is some very, very high level numbers, which tells you if somebody purchases this particular offer, you'll get $145. There is a rebill on this, which is $38 here. You can tell that there's obviously some form of rebill where they send people more of these particular goods. And then you have this gravity score here, which is a good indication. Don't worry about the exact number on gravity. Just think about if you've got a very high gravity, it means other affiliates are selling the product. Now, obviously, a word of warning there, if you're a complete newbie, I wouldn't probably go for the top products on here. There's going to be a huge amount of competition. I would probably come down here a little bit and start looking at some of these other products that are definitely selling and have good resources on there. So let's have a look at New Gut and Poop Winner, whatever this is. Let's have a look at the product first. You can have a look at this sales page and see whether this appeals to you and your particular set of audience. Then you can come down and have a look at the affiliate information and see what kind of information they're going to give to you to get your links. Now, this is a slightly different one because this is asking you to actually get approval from them. So I'll probably give this a miss if I was a new affiliate. So basically, guys, all you need to do is come down here and have a good look around these various categories, and each one of them has got hundreds and hundreds of different types of products that are going to be good for your niche. That's the first step. I would actually come onto the site and start getting familiar with it, start having a good look around the different types of resources. In my next video, guys, I'm actually going to show you more information about Clickbank itself, how you can start to build a funnel to go ahead and promote Clickbank products to your audience. I hope that was useful to you guys. Just a beginner look at Clickbank to get you familiar with the site. Until next time, take care.